Here at Castleform Developments, we build energy-efficient, sustainable homes in the luxury market. We were at the project on 21st Street. We're doing a joint venture with Panasonic, and we're showcasing a lot of their home solution products in these homes.
The Panasonic Doors and Hardware program is designed to meet the needs of production builders and our custom home builders. The partnership we have with Castleform has been tremendous from the get-go, and we're very happy to be working with Peter and his team.
What I like about the doors are the look, the feel, the simplicity, the installation, just about everything.
The three pillars to our approach for doors and hardware are quality, design, and durability. I think it's important when we get to site that we have a product that is easy to install and is fast to install. Time is money for our installers, and we take that into consideration when we put a package together.
We found that the high-end interior doors and hardware fit well with this project that we're doing. There's a lot of luxury components in a luxury home, and you need the interior doors and hardware and all the other components to match. It doesn't make sense to put in marble on your floor and then you have MDF doors.
The look and feel of the product, I think, is very important, especially to our custom builders. They want something that's going to be unique, that's going to differentiate them from other builders, developers in the market. And I think bringing that product to them that has a different look, a different feel to it, is going to make sure that they have something that their customers are going to be happy with as well.
I highly recommend Panasonic's interior doors and hardware to other builders and developers.
Panasonic.